This sanitizer closely emulates the commercial kind, without all the chemicals and without the bad smell. Hand sanitizer should not replace hand washing, just use it when you really need it. 2/3 cup 99% rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, or 190 proof grain alcohol. Do not substitute other concentrations of alcohol. 1/3 cup pure aloe vera gel, preferably without additives. 8 to 10 drops essential oil, such as lavender, clove, cinnamon, or peppermint. Mix the alcohol and aloe vera gel in the bowl. Pour the ingredients into the bowl and use the spoon to mix them together well. The mixture should be completely smooth. If you want the solution to be thicker, add another spoonful of aloe vera. Or thin it out by adding another spoonful of alcohol. Add the essential oil. Add it 1 drop at a time, stirring as you go. After about 8 drops, smell the mixture to see whether you like the scent. If it seems strong enough, stop there. If you like a stronger scent, add a few more drops. Use whatever scent you enjoy. Lavender, clove, cinnamon, peppermint, cinnamon, lemon, grapefruit and passion fruit all work well. Funnel the mixture into the container. Place the funnel over the mouth of the container and pour the hand sanitizer in. Fill it up, then screw on the lid until you're ready to use it. A small squirt bottle works well if you want to carry the sanitizer with you throughout the day. If you make too much for the bottle, save the leftover sanitizer in a jar with a tightly fitted lid. Some people prefer not to use alcohol-based hand sanitizer, since alcohol has a strong smell and can have a severe drying effect on skin. Witch hazel-based solutions are not effective against viruses and bacteria. 1 cup pure aloe vera gel, preferably without additives. 1½ teaspoons witch hazel. 30 drops tea tree oil. 5 drops essential oil, such as lavender or peppermint. Stir together the aloe vera gel, tea tree oil and witch hazel. If the mixture seems too thin, add another spoonful of aloe vera to thicken it. If it's too thick, add another spoonful of witch hazel. Stir in the essential oil. Since the smell of the tea tree oil is already strong, go easy on the added essential oils. 5 or so drops should be enough, but if you want to add more, stir it in 1 drop at a time. Funnel the mixture into the container. Place the funnel over the mouth of the container and pour the hand cleaning solution in. Fill it up, then screw on the lid until you're ready to use it.